When you open the Fluidra Pool app, you will find the login screen. If you can't remember your password, click on Forgot Your Password to reset it. Then a new screen will open where you will have to enter your account email and click on Reset Password. Once you have done this, you will receive an email with a unique code that you must enter in the app. Reopen the app to copy the code you receive. You will then be able to enter your new password. Remember that it must meet all security requirements. Repeat your new password and click Continue to finish. From now on, you will be able to log into Fluidra Pool with your new password. Repeat this process whenever you need to.